So this is very much not the video that I wanted to be doing. I've just had to be away in Mildura with family stuff, and we organised to have a tiler. Now this is the first tradesperson that we've just gone, you know what, let's get help with our ensuite. And what you see behind me was such a bad job that my husband spent about 4 hours last night when he got home from work ripping every single tile off. We're not sure if the waterproofing has been damaged. If it is, apparently that means we have to strip everything back and we start from scratch again. It's really devastating. We thought we'd found someone who was a quality tradesman. They haven't done anything properly. Things weren't cut right. Things weren't level. The wrong tools have been used. The list goes on. So all of this is just a depressed day. A shout out for those who have had tradesmen, you know, leave them in the lurch. And now we've not only got the cost of starting again, but maybe all of the repairs that were done in the process of the bad job in the first place. So yeah, hopefully I have some better news later on over the weekend.